Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 7 of the April Leetcode Daily Challenge. 1 week in, hope you're still hanging out, chilling, solving problems. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Determine if string halves are alike. So I usually solve these live. If you're new here, feel free to fast forward or watch in 2x or whatever. But if you're just looking for someone to explain the problem, pretending that they knew from the beginning, then you can find another video, I guess. But anyway, so today's problem is determine if string halves are alike. What does that mean? You're given S of even length, split into two halves of equal length, A be the first half and the second half. If they're alike, if they're the same number of vowels, A, I, O, U. Okay, so that's okay. So this seems pretty straightforward, right? I don't think there's anything tricky about it. I think the hardest part is about implementation, and I think the standard way is just using a for loop or two for loops and a couple of variables and just count them. I think that would be the most efficient. Of course, you could also try to go for one-liners, which are less efficient, but maybe a little bit shorter because they sometimes create copies of the strings or something like that. I wonder if is count. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't really have anything to say. So I think is wow is a Python thing, but even if not, that's fine. So let's just say I'm going to try to. If this is a contest, I don't know what I would have done because I could go either way, to be honest, because this seems pretty straightforward in either case. So maybe I do for loop sometimes, and maybe I just try to do in one-liner sometimes. I don't know how I feel about that. But in either case, I think the first thing I would do is to change it to lowercase. The reason why we change it to lowercase is so that we don't have to worry about checking two sets of things, because now everything's consistent and we don't have to care about it anyway. Of course, this is a little bit annoying because, this is not annoying, but it complexity wise technically is a little bit more inefficient because it creates another copy of the string. And then now you could play around with, there are a couple of ways to do it, I guess. Yeah, I guess I would just have a count thing. Maybe I'll try to work on readability. And then count, you have a string, and this is just count rows, say. And then now you can do, return count of x for x in S if x is in A, E, I, O, U, right? Something like that. And of course, I could be one-liner, but I like to do it this way. And then you could just do count rows of S from the first half, and then the second half. How did I do? Okay, fine. Let's just do n is equal to length of S, and of course, you can Is this? Yeah. I'm always a little bit sketchy about the off by ones. Of course, you can you can do things to kind of make this one liner, of course, but I am just writing it like this. Textbook. And Merry Christmas, I think, was the other one. Right? And then there's an AE. Why is this taking so long? Is that my computer? That's a little bit awkward. Maybe Leetcode server is having issues. Technical difficulties. One thing that I'm actually bad at during the contest is switching to different problems on lag times like this, because I don't know. When a problem's in my head, I have to solve it, otherwise I can't get it out of my head. But here maybe I would just add in a debugger line just for fun. And maybe copy and paste this to an offline thing, and then so I could refresh the page. That's very awkward though. Okay, let's refresh. This is my computer. My apologies. Technical difficulties. Is it me? Are my other internet sites up? Maybe it's me. All right, let me connect and disconnect my Wi-Fi real quick. You know this is live because any reasonable person would edit this out, but but it is what it is. I hope you fast forward through it. If not, that's okay. Thanks for hanging out. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just copying and pasting my thing back here. Okay, see, much quicker. Oh, a number is required. Wait, what? Oh, this isn't count. This is what do I want? Length. I think I was thinking about I don't know. I had another language in my head for some reason or something. Okay, fine. This is annoying. I think technically you could also do like something like this and then some if you don't want to convert it to a list from a generator. But that technically is slightly faster. But okay, so that looks good. And then we have this printout so that we can verify that this is correct. This is 1, this is 2, and so forth. I mean, in this case, it's not necessary, obviously, but you know, let's give it a submit and hope that I don't forgot a silly case. Yay! So what's the complexity here? I'll leave that to an exercise at home because I think this is, yeah, this is kind of there were some hard problems in this week. I'm just looking at them now on the left side, and I don't know why this one is so easy. I don't know if I missed anything. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me click on the hint. Okay, fine. That's a hint. Yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll give you an early night. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Join me tomorrow. Join me on Discord. Join me wherever. Well, maybe that sounds a little creepy. But yeah, have a great night, and yeah, to good health and good mental health. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.